Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PH and Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, welcome to the JavaScript and JQuery tutorial by PH and Technology Private Limited. In this tutorial, we are going to see about the hamburger menu. In the previous tutorial, we learned about the hovering effect, in which we would just hover a particular thing and the text would appear or disappear. In this thing, we are just going to do the same, but we are going to have a drop down on the click of the menu. Now the menu icon over here is a hamburger icon. Now what do I mean by hamburger icon? Now do you remember seeing 3 lines like this on some website? Now that is a hamburger menu. And to add that, you have to just add some CSS files, but make sure that you have internet all the time, because then only you will be able to see that on your website. So now let's just see what we can do and how we are going to create this particular hamburger menu with appearing and disappearing menu card when we click on it. So this is my code which I have already created, and it looks something like this. Now when we are going to click on this particular hamburger menu, a particular drop down of menus is going to appear. So how are we going to do that? Let me give you a hint. We have done this in the particular previous section, but let's just see a little bit of HTML and CSS code and implement this with a little attractiveness. So I have given some body styling to the body, in which the background color is specified, a font family, and margin I have specified 0. That has made my nav bar to stick around my HTML page or my screen. After that, I have given some nav styling to my nav tag, right? The position is sticky, then the overflow is hidden because I don't want it to be below it. I want it to be in a line. After that, the comp1 here is my menu. Now it is on display none. Okay, the menu is what we are going to see when we click on that hamburger icon. After that, I have given some styling to my nav A. A is the anchor text over here, in which we put our navbar elements. It helps us in navigating to that particular link or to that particular section. And then there is the other styling. I have also used the hover effect over here. And here is my div comp1, which we have kept the styling as display equals to none. Now let's just start with the scripting. So first we are going to enter a function. Sorry, it's not my function. It should be function, and its name would be whatever we decided to be. Let's just say its name would be hamburger. And so what is going to happen, as soon as we click on the hamburger menu, then only the particular animation or the functioning which we are going to enter in the JavaScript should happen. So I have taken the icon name here, and I have given the function on click, and I am going to write the function name. So it is going to be hamburger. Sorry. Okay, my spelling is wrong. Okay. After this, we are going to declare a var x inside the function. That means it's a local variable. And then give a equal to sign. After that, we are going to write document.getElement by id. So my id here was comp1. We are going to play with the comp1 only. So we need to write comp1 here, because we are going to either erase it or we are going to either hide it or show it using this particular JavaScript code. We are going to manipulate it using this JavaScript code. So after that, I am going to give the if condition. This is the same we have used in the previous section. The thing here is we are going to just implement that thing in a very attractive way. That's how we do on our websites, right? So x.style.display. This is the styling, HTML style DOM, right? This is the element name, and then this is the property, that is style, and this is my style and this is my styling property, and it should be equal to, as first I have mentioned it as none, so here I am going to say as block. Let's just give some if condition. It would be x.style.display equals to none, and after that I am going to give else statement, and inside which I am going to write x.style.display equals to block. Let's just save this and refresh it. So now my hamburger menu is working. Now you will say that why did we do this particular? Why do we have a separate tutorial for this? The reason here is implementing a JavaScript code into a website takes some skills, and once you know the tips and tricks to these skills, you can easily do it. So it was very easy, right? We have just given the function name over here, and everything and anything was done by the HTML and CSS code. All the appearance credit goes to the HTML and CSS structuring and styling. So to implement JavaScript, you need to know HTML and CSS. If you don't worry, you can always go to the HTML and CSS tutorial and learn from there. So now it's time for you to explore this hamburger menu, and we'll meet in the next tutorial. Till then, keep coding. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.